Hello guys, there we have a ZTE Blade A71, and today I will show you how you can receive and send fax messages on this device. So at the start we have to download some fax app. You will find a lot of here in the Google Store. I choose that one, but of course you can choose the other one. So we have to open it and data permissions. Now if you want to choose your document, click here and choose the source of it. You can add a image gallery, image from the gallery, PDF from download files, or just take a photo. I will choose some image from my gallery. This one, for example. Now you can adjust the shape of your document, and if you're ready, click here. There is a place where you can choose a filter for it, add a signature, or simply note. If you are ready, click done and go. Now if you want to add more documents, click here and choose it again. But if you want to send only this one, type the number here, and optionally you can add a small note here. Now go back and click here to send it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for more videos for this device, visit our channel, and goodbye.